How to make a banner on Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a banner in less than 1 minute with Canva app. So all what you have to do is go to Canva, and then this is the home page. As you can see now, all what you have to do is go down below and click on the add option right here and search for a banner. After you search for it, now click on it like this and wait a few seconds. It will give you many templates right here. Now choose any banner from here that you want. There is many options and click on it like this. For example, this one. And now you are able to change everything from the text to the colors and everything. For example, financial wall like this, and here you go. Now you can download it from here, and everything is easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.